What's up, everybody? We're back with another technical analysis video for y'all today. And guys, today's episode is gonna be special. I can tell because my energy is at all-time highs, guys. I'm firing on all cylinders. Do you feel the electricity in the air, guys? It is 427. It is a holiday for the Nebster. We're going over the gem today, baby. The gem. The gem that I have been teasing for the longest time is, I'm telling it to you today, is the big reveal, guys. And I am excited. I am very excited. I had a blessed, beautiful day today. I couldn't ask for a better 427. I got my 23-ounce porterhouse steak today, guys. Life is good. Alright? So much love, so much light, so much joy. It was incredible. Alright, and I'm excited to share this gem with y'all. It's just gonna be so much fun, guys. I'm a vessel for the universe, okay? As much as I find pleasure in receiving, I find just as much pleasure in giving and in serving, okay? I'm honored and blessed to be that vessel for the universe, to bring this kind of information to you guys, alright? I make these videos for you guys. I love this shit, okay? Now, we gotta go over the gem, we gotta go over XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, we got stuff to cover, guys, okay? So, let's get into it. Before we get into it, though, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only, okay? With that out the way, I need to tell y'all who are here just to hear the gem, I'm not gonna do you dirty and make you sit through my entire episode. It's gonna be at the end, okay? Just so we're clear, I actually don't want people who don't care about learning to sit through my episodes. I'd rather you just, let me just, sift you out and get you to where you need to get to. I'm all about efficiency, okay? I only want people who actually are committed to becoming skillful traders watching my episodes. It's tailored for them. I'm not trying to waste people's time or anything, okay? So if you're here just for the gem, it's going to be at the end, all right? Because there's no way I'm going to talk about a gem before I talk about XRP. That's disrespect. Shame on you for that. Okay? Shame on you for disrespecting XRP if you want the gem before we talk about it. Because XRP is the gem of all gems. You should know that. Okay? This is just a different gem. Doesn't mean it's as good as this gem. So we're going over XRP. We're going over Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then we'll go over the gem, guys. Sound like a plan? Awesome. Real quick, 2% Orion. I didn't forget about Solana. We're marking it up on the next episode. I've been looking into it today as well, so we have stuff to go over with it, okay? Only reason that it's getting postponed is because I have to drop this gem in today's episode for this 427 special. I'm sure you can understand, and plus you probably want to also know the gem. So anyways, guys, let's get into it. Where did we leave off last episode? We left off in this channel. And we had two predictions, guys. We're gonna keep it pretty quick today, okay? We're not gonna get too detailed in our analysis today. Not too much has changed. I just want to give you a quick update. So we said we could push for that $1.50 or the top of this channel. If we failed to do so, we'd come test the support of the channel, and we projected that'd probably give out, okay? If it didn't give out, get the bounce and take us up. Anyways, we see that it gave out. This is a 1-hour chart, guys. We see that it gave out, failed to reclaim, falls back, to our 20 moving average, ranges, and then it dumps, all right? We also see we got a touch. What did we say, guys? With $1.33, we said if this channel gave out, if the support gave out, we'd go test the 4-hour support. That's exactly what happened. Look at the precision, guys. Look at that. Boom. All right. And here we are testing it again. We got the 50 average below it and the 200 below it. I'm not 100% sure how I feel yet. I'm still gathering information. There's things I really like and there's things I don't like as much. I like the wick with the high volume through the $1.33 level. All right, guys. I like that. I also like this wick right here. The body's above the 4-hour. It's above the 50, and we bounced off the 200. So we got 3 supports below us, and we again got good volume. So I like that as well. But I just don't know if this... I can see it happening. What we're gauging right now with XRP is this 4-hour level strong enough to catapult us to $1.50 and beyond? That's what we're trying to see. And it's kind of... we're still reading it. We got the wick and the wick again, so that's pretty strong. But guys, I'm not liking the follow-up, okay? I kind of expect after a wick like this, you kind of see more buying come in. Same here, you know, with a wick through the level, more buying. Now, this wasn't the most convincing candle, all right? This one's a little bigger, more convincing, and you got the 200, all right? But again, I don't like how it's performing after. Um, let's go to a 4 hour real quick. I mean, looks pretty good on a 4 hour. The wick's right through that support bounce, but then it comes back. You get it again, and on the 4 hour you hold above. So that's not bad, guys. But on the 4 hour, the problem is low volume with it. Okay, it makes me think: could we possibly be setting up a high or a lower high? Here's our high. Here's our lower high. All right, maybe getting downward pressure. We're not gonna need this channel anymore, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Let's draw a little line. You see something like that potentially. Make it red too. All right, could that be in play? And if that's the case, we have a triangle, you know? I believe this would be a descending triangle, okay? So with the 4 hour and this like rain or this angled resistance right here. And I mean rejection, rejection, rejection comes down. I mean, is this 4 hour gonna blast us through it? Because if this is legit, we gotta blast through this and then get to $1.50 and then take off. And it's possible, guys. Again, I mean, on a 4 hour, you also have this wick. So you got this wick, that wick, and that wick, okay? But on a 4 hour, the volume changes. The story of volume changes a little bit. And this entire move is playing off the confidence of this, which to me is not the greatest. So, I mean, right now, if you're in the XRP, if you're watching it, what you're looking for is to see how this 4 hour level plays out. Because in my opinion, if the 4 hour level gives out, go back to a 1 hour. If the 4 hour level gives out, I don't think the 200 is where we come, consolidate, and then blast off. In my opinion, if the 4 hour level gives out, there's a good chance we're probably coming back down to $1.10. Especially with what's going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum. The context of things is gonna make more sense when we get into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, we're gonna go into that here very shortly. Real quick though, let's look at XRP on a daily chart. Daily chart. I don't like that, guys. I mean, for such a big green candle and that's the volume, it's barely above average, that's a big red flag for me. I love the wick here, okay? I love the wick here, but I don't love the follow-up. Almost makes me think there wasn't enough time spent in this area to accumulate and they're going to try to bring it back in, okay? Now again, this is XRP. I'm very bullish. It could definitely blast off from here. It could definitely blast off. We are at a 4 hour support. But real quick, let's look at this real quick on the daily. Now we see the 4 hour level. Daily traders don't really see the level, but since we have it marked up, we see it. Okay, you, my students, we see it here. Okay, look how like that price point. Look how we pushed through. It wasn't like we didn't blast, right? It wasn't incredible. It's not powerful. So that kind of signals to me that if we were to zoom in on a 4 hour and look at it, again, how we came into it wasn't incredible, especially with this. You would have thought that this would have been the Bears trying one more time, getting rejected, and that would have been confirmation right there. Let's take off. Instead, this is what we got. Now, I do like the wicks. If anything, it's showing to me more accumulation before it takes off, which is why we could see it come in here and blast off, or even get ready to blast off from here. But if this is a descending triangle, okay, this red angled line and this thin green line right here, the 4 hour support, if that's how it's playing out, this thing could get into here and dump, all right? And a dump, look where our 200 is, guys. It's pretty close to that 110 price. So it wouldn't surprise me if we start to gravitate there. In my opinion, that's kind of what happens if this 4 hour level doesn't hold, okay? And maybe you can get down maybe $1.20 because of this wick, but I mean, just being in the middle here and so close to this, when you just calculate risk to reward, I feel like they'll probably just wait to enter this better buy level, and I think this is where they really want to get it at. So, I mean, we'll just have to wait and see. So if you're watching XRP right now, all eyes are on that 4 hour level, okay, that 4 hour support and how we respond here. Right now, it's not looking amazing, okay? Let me see here. One more thing on the daily. Anything else? I mean, yeah, the daily. It's just, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I mean, this could easily be pullback and then it pops. Because that 4 hour is close enough to go challenge the $1.50. It's definitely there. It's just, where's the excitement? I don't think there's enough people who want to do it from here. Okay, I think people are either waiting to clear $1.50 as confirmation and buy into that strength if there's a retest on the level, or if it explodes through the level, buy into the power. I think traders are probably looking more at that, or they're waiting for a better risk to reward setup down here. And right now you're just getting the probably 4 hour and 1 hour traders participating in here. And that's, I mean, the volume's low. It's being reflected in the daily. The volume's low on the 4 hour as well. It's barely there on the 1 hour. Okay, you can tell just through all the small candles. Anyways, guys, let's move on. I know y'all want to get to Gen 2. I'm not gonna drag today's episode out. Bitcoin, we said it'll tell us some stuff. Let's start on a daily with Bitcoin. I mean, guys, is that what you want to see out of a support level? Structure-wise, it's not bad. Wicks to the downside, big green candle. But, I mean, guys, this big green candle didn't perform well with the volume, okay? We're also by this all-time high still. The context hasn't changed. If anything, the narrative's not in Bitcoin's favor right now. This thing could definitely push up to this resistance level, that 59K. That's definitely in play. But, guys, right now it's struggling at these moving averages, all right? And the volume's falling off. Let's look at the 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour, we're just sandwiched in between the 200 and above the 50 and the 20. Okay, pretty close to this level. All right. Now, a lot of times, me personally, I love when it gets sandwiched in. I'm trying to get a read because then it kind of plays out like a range. Okay, so I know this is the top of the range, this is the bottom of the range, the averages. And I'm trying to see where am I getting more of a response. Right now, I mean, if we zoom in, that would show strength, right? Wicks to the moving averages. They're not even getting to the moving average anymore. But then on the other side, you could be like, man, but that 200 carries more weight, and you got double wicks fast, and almost came back down. You are also going to get a crossover on the moving average. I don't want to spend too much time on using the indicators and whatnot. If anything, it's kind of just giving us a read on where it's located, all right? Either way, though, we're in the middle. Risk to rewards not necessarily in our favor, okay? If anything, maybe on low time frames like 5 minute, you might be finding little scalp trades and whatnot. But, I mean, the 4 hour, there's not really a reason to enter. I mean, if you get in right here real quick, let's just do a long position. I mean, you can play below the averages. I mean, if you're targeting 200, it's a little over 1-to-1. That's not a trade you're going to take. I mean, so next you'd be targeting this resistance. That's much more in your favor if you're willing to just take the risk right here. But if you're playing off the structure, you gotta remember, guys, if it comes to here, I mean, you're getting invalidated pretty early, which is good. It's another reason I think it could maybe pop in the short term. Okay? Like, I think maybe it could break out of this sandwich. It's going to be key on how it performs here. Again, there's not a lot of volume taking place, guys. But, I mean, that's not bad risk to reward. Now, if you play it off down here, now it's no longer in your favor. This isn't a trade you can take. Okay? But again, is this convincing enough? Does this make you believe you're going to blast through the 200 and go shoot straight for this? If you believe that, you should be entering a trade right now. And as soon as you're invalidated, you should be getting out, okay? And you're probably invalidated once you get below the moving averages again. Below. Because right now you're sandwiched between. Once it's going below, your idea is not really there anymore, okay? So, just some context to keep in mind. I'm personally not looking for a trade on Bitcoin. Not right now. Okay, maybe at the 30K level. On the 1 hour chart, we see we're holding above the 200. But we are below the 20, challenging the 50, okay? It's also resistance in this area. So if you are playing this structure, in a way, you're buying a top because we haven't really broken resistance, okay? If anything, these are little probes to the upside on higher time frames. They'd probably appear as wicks, okay? This is not a strong level, in my opinion. I'm not trying to play here. I'm not trying to play off this 48 to 51, 52K support range. Okay, that's not where I want to be. Now, we gotta remember too with Bitcoin, market manipulation, that's always on the table. All right, it's always out there, especially with Tether, guys. You know how I feel about that. But risk to reward wise, yeah, that's your approach. Okay. I mean, on a 1 hour, if you're getting in, you see how when you change time frames, you can kind of get a more microscopic view. On a 4 hour, if you're entering now, you're probably playing your stop right here. Okay. But look at when you look at a 1 hour. Okay, if you get in here, sorry guys, let me mark it up a little bit just so we can be more exact. Where's my long? There we go. Okay. So let's say you put your stop like right here. Okay, what's that? 53,299. Okay. Don't even worry about that. I really just want to see where the stop is placed. Okay, on a 4 hour, that might be how you play it. And that's, I mean, you see on the 1 hour how it kind of changes a little bit, because I mean, support takes off. It could still it could still be support here. There's wicks in that area, and if that's the case, I mean, but do you really want to bring it down to here? If there's no reason to take this loss here. I mean, you should know way before it gets to here that it's gonna get to here. You know that we're coming down. How do you know it's coming back down? That's really what you gotta figure out. Okay. Now, can you play below those averages? You can. This is on a 1 hour. Okay, but again, you got a little bit of support there from those wicks. A little bit. I mean, it's Bitcoin too, guys. That's the other thing. And as you see what I'm saying, I'm not really trying to play here. Okay, there's like not convincing enough reason for me to play here. Okay, I mean, I'm not like I don't even like to spend time trying to like should I take this play or not? I mean, no, guys, my criteria was not met a long time ago. This is a resistance area right now. All right. I don't like the response out of the support level. This is not how I expected it to perform. I don't care for the moving averages so much. All right. Volume's not where I want it to be either to think big price movements are coming. I don't know if I want to just bank on price manipulation to get me to my target. It might not even happen. Okay? I mean, we could be literally seeing. Let me see here. I'm gonna switch it to a high time frame first. Let's go to a 4 hour. 4 hour, guys. I mean, this could easily be happening right now. All right, that could easily be happening. 200 stronger than the 50 and the 20, by the way. Okay, this level is showing weakness to me. Came here, got this big wick, sideways action, and then it dumped. Sideways action, pops back up, and now this is just it again. I mean, maybe if they're consolidating along this price and then it explodes, maybe, but the risk to reward isn't here with Bitcoin. You're at 54K. You're not even at 1-to-1 when you're really thinking about it, okay? And you're just looking for little trades, and I don't know, guys. It's just with the context being near these all-time highs, being even at the top of this structure right now, seeing that there's resistance here in the past, and the 200, it's just not worth the gamble in my opinion, guys. There's other plays out there. Anyways, though, Ethereum, this is the big one, guys. Ethereum today set a new all-time high. All right. We got $2,716 on the dot. Look what's going on with Ethereum. I told you guys it gave us the playbook. Okay? I mean, look at that. This was our first all-time high. All right? Rejected. Came back up. Rejected hard. All right? Reclaim. Came down. Held. Took off. So that was the hold of the support. Okay? And it took off, but it didn't really take off. Okay, it did set a new all-time high. So very recently we had this all-time high, and now here we are, not that far away, another all-time high. As soon as it occurs, guys, immediate dump. Look how long it took for it to come up. Look how fast it took for it to come down. Ranges, holds above, and now look, goes up, holds at the top, and then breaks out. But barely breaks out, guys. This is not good. This is not good. I'm expecting this shit to come down hard, guys. If this thing falls below 2500 again and closes down here, I mean, probe, you're gonna probably say that could be a probe too. All right. I think people are probably waiting for this to pull back, hold, and think it's gonna take off. I think if we come back to this level, it's just gonna give out. All right, this is on a 4-hour chart on Ethereum. Let's look at the daily. Daily does not paint a pretty picture either, guys. Nasty wick to the upside. And then you get more volume on this wick to the downside. Okay? But look how it performed after. And then you get these 3 candles and this. Okay? This is not how you want to break. It barely broke, guys. I mean, if you're talking the top of the wick, it barely broke. And look how low the volume is. That means people aren't excited here. There's not money moving. Alright? Anyways, though, guys, you know what time it is. I should put a drum roll in, but it's 3:17 in the morning, and I'm not gonna go through all that editing right now. I know y'all just want to get into the gym. Real quick, though, Algorand, $1.25. 6% a year, baby. It's not the gem. It is a gem, but it's not the gem. Anyways, guys, let's get into it. What y'all been waiting for? Guys, maybe y'all peeped it, maybe y'all didn't. It's been at the bottom of my list, guys. The gem is XDC. The company's called Zinfin, XINFIN. Okay? I am loving this project. Look at this, guys. This is the daily chart. All right? Where is it? Right here. This is when I started getting in. Around 1 cent, 2 cents. Okay? I didn't get a lot because I didn't know enough about them yet. I had like heard the name. I heard a lot of people who talk about it also talk about XRP, all that stuff. A lot of like sources I'm tuned into started mentioning it as well, but I didn't know enough about it, okay? And this is what happened. I mean, guys, it exploded. It exploded. It held, pushes again, holds, and look at that, guys. I mean, we got to 15 cents. Or 13 cents. Well, on this chart it says 13 cents. On Bitroot it got to 15 cents. This isn't this is Bitfinex. They don't have a Bitroot chart on TradingView, okay? But on Bitroot it got up to 15 cents. Okay? Guys, there was a time I was like, this thing's never gonna pull back. This thing's never gonna come back. I was FOMOing. Guys, I bought all the way up. I had no choice. Okay? I didn't put big amounts in. Maybe just a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here. I didn't really do too much up here. Okay? I think like 11 cents might have been the highest. I didn't really do anything above because I knew a pullback was coming. It had to. All right? It had to. Guys, I've been praying to the crypto gods to bring this thing down. I have been, please guys, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. This, in my opinion, guys, could be a life-changing play. I'm very bullish on this company. I haven't felt this way since XRP, okay? The way XDC makes me feel is the closest thing to XRP. All right? I'm probably more bullish. Well, not more. Okay, it's weird. I'd rather put more money into XDC than Stellar Lumens, okay? Not because I think it's more legitimized than Stellar Lumens. To me, Stellar Lumens is a guaranteed winner because of its connection to XRP, all right? It's guaranteed winner. I just don't exactly know the performance of Stellar Lumens. I mean, we really don't know the performance of any of these cryptos, okay? We're all speculating. But with XDC, I'm looking at it more like just like a technical analyst, like a trader, a risk to reward trader, you know? And I mean, I also look at it as an investor. They have an amazing team, guys, partnerships, you know, all that good stuff, guys. They move enterprise money, guys. I mean, there's so much to it. I was reading their white paper. It's deep, guys. I highly advise you to read the XDC white paper, okay? I also have reason to believe and speculate that they're tied into this XRP financial quantum or this quantum financial system, the XRP quantum financial system, okay? I have reason to believe they're linked in, okay? Like just more speculative, you know, I don't have hardcore evidence or anything, but it's just something, you know, that's on my mind that I'm watching. But yeah, guys, I want you to think about it like this. 1 penny, okay? If it goes to 2 pennies, you doubled your money. If it goes to 3 pennies, you triple your money. If it goes to 4 pennies, you quadrupled. It got up to 15 cents on Bitrue. That's 15x, guys. So if you put $1,000 in at a penny, first off, if it's a penny and you're putting $1,000 in, you're getting 100,000 shares for a penny. I mean, for $1,000, you're getting it at a penny. It's getting you that 100,000 shares for $1,000. Okay, if XDC gets to $1, your $1,000 just turned into 100K. Okay, guys, that's incredible. And look what it just did. It had no problem going from under a penny to 15 cents. It had no problem. It did it fast, guys. It did it fast. Look where all the volume happened. Because this wasn't really available to us. Okay? The big money gets a chance first. That's why you see the skinny range, but they're all scooping, because there's so much supply, okay? It's probably private sell here. I think this is when retailers were starting to get in. All right, after they had their fun and they got theirs, they started letting retailers get in. And then boom, there's the pop. Pullback, pop, pullback, boom. All right. Now what I'm doing with XDC, guys, I'm waiting for it to pull back deep, okay? I was able, when everyone freaked out over capital gains, the other day, it dumped to like 6 something cents, and I was able to scoop some, okay? But that wasn't the real price. Obviously, I want it down here at a penny. I don't know if it's gonna ever get to a penny again, guys. Okay, oh, that's not a penny, sorry, where's a penny? Like right in this area, right here somewhere. Okay, really where that big green candle started. It's gonna be hard for me to see this thing fully retraced to here. Okay, if anything though, I could see maybe, especially if Bitcoin's bleeding out. You see why I want it to crash so bad? Let it go to 30K. That could give me 50% off this 8-cent price. And if I could get it at 5 cents and under, I'm going all in, guys. Okay, that's me. All right. That's me. I've done some research on it. I know I have my risk tolerance, okay? I have my beliefs, my philosophies, my theories, all that stuff, okay? I'm just sharing a gem with you, okay? Let me tell you guys, with Cardano, I missed that play, and that shit stings, guys. A year ago, Cardano was 3 cents. It got up to $1.55, I believe, setting a new all-time high. You're looking at like 50x. That's the kind of play I'm looking for. And I think XDC offers the technology. They have the right team and the right niche. I mean, guys, they're going after institutions. I mean, these guys, they're dealing with enterprise money. That means you're going to have a lot of institutional money flow through it, okay? And I mean, look at what happened. Look at that, guys. When have y'all seen something like that? We have not looked at a chart and seen it. This is the only time I've ever seen volume like this. Look at the cluster, guys. Look at the cluster. I am praying to the crypto gods. Bring this down, bring this down, bring this down. Luckily, there's a few things working in my favor. It's not easy to get, okay? That's what we're about to go over. I'm going to show y'all what you'd have to do if you want to get it, okay? With time, we'll go more over fundamentals. I'm not going to do this whole video on fundamentals for it, okay? Today was really more just giving y'all the gem, introducing it into your paradigm, okay? Into your perspective, into your awareness, all right? We'll definitely learn more about it over time. But, guys, this is my... Next to XRP, this is my next one, all right? This is the only one I'm focused on. I'm not buying anything else. I mean, there's a couple things I want to get a little bit of, okay? There's a few things I want to get a little bit here, a little bit there. I have a few other gems. I'm not going to talk about those ones like just now, right now, okay? But, we'll get to them. But this is the one right now that I want to talk about. This is the one that I've been wanting to share with you guys. I mean, look at that. Just boom. But, guys, with all of this movement up, the volume is so low compared to these prices over here. Okay, so it kind of gives me hope. You see my alert, okay? My alert's at 4 cents. If it hits 4 cents, your boy's going off, all right? I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna eat. I love this project, okay? They're based in Singapore. The technology's so smart. They do 2,000 transactions per second. Guys, XDC, Zinfin. I'm so bullish on it, guys. I love this project. Anyways, guys, before we wrap this video up, I'm going to show you where you can get it, okay? The main place is Bitrue, all right? Now, here's the problem. I told you guys in the beginning, it's going to be challenging to get XDC. A lot of y'all might get turned off from the challenge, okay? That means it's not for you. You're not ready for the wealth because you're not even ready to deal with some challenge, okay? But for y'all who are ready, here's the catch. Bitrue is available to US residents, but it's not, okay? Right now they're not verifying new residents in the US. So if you have a Bitrue and you got verified before they cut it off, you can purchase your XDC on Bitrue, okay? I got blessed, guys. I verified a long time ago. I got so blessed. I'm able to use Bitrue, okay? And it might be the easier of the two options, okay? And I'm gonna give you some extra game too. The fees, real quick, I have to tell you, the fees are expensive. If I put $100 in, Bitrue's taking like 17 to 20 bucks. That's a big ass fee. I'm so bullish on it. I'll just have to eat the fee. Okay, I do believe XDC gets over $1. I think it can do amazing things, guys. And it's gonna be a top 100 crypto in my opinion in no time. All right, so I'm like, fuck it. It's take the fee or don't have any. I'd rather have some and deal with the fee. Okay. Anyways, though, the fee's expensive, and I think the fee's mostly because you're charging your US card, like your credit or debit card or whatever. I think the fee's really because you're going from fiat into crypto. And then on top of that, where the next fee comes in, so Bitrue only allows you to buy XDC with Ethereum, Tether, or XRP, okay? But they're not really selling the XRP. Whenever I try to buy the XRP, it always says it's not available. But everybody always says Bitrue allows you to buy XRP. So I don't know what's going on there. I haven't been able to buy any XRP on Bitrue. So I've been doing it with Ethereum, and the Ethereum fee's nasty. The Tether fee's nasty too, okay? But the Ethereum fee, it's pretty bad. So I mean, guys, like I said, if I put $100 in, I'm getting like $80 worth, maybe $85, just depends. But anyways, the loophole. This is why Uphold's been such a problem for me. Okay, the loophole, and I haven't got to try it out yet, but I'm wondering if I'm able to buy XRP on Uphold, transfer it to Bitrue, and then buy the XDC with the XRP. I'm wondering, because of the low fees that XRP provides, if that will help me get around this nasty $15-$20 fee whenever I do it for my debit card and have to buy into Ethereum. It sucks. I don't want to buy Ethereum. On top of that, I have to buy the XDC immediately once the Ethereum becomes available. And with Bitrue, sometimes you get it in 5 minutes, sometimes up to 30 minutes. One time, it took 12 hours or something for me to get my Ethereum. And the price of XDC changed. But I can't just sit in the Ethereum. What if it could crash at any moment? So I end up having to just buy. I'd rather have the XDC at whatever price than have Ethereum close to an all-time high. That's why I'm like, fuck it, and I'm just cost averaging into my position. But yeah, so Bitrue, if you've been verified, you're good to go. If you didn't get verified, or if you try to they're not even verifying now. You can't just open Bitrue and be like, oh, hey, I got verified. They're not doing it, okay? This is not going to be an option for you. So if that's the case, here's option 2. It's an exchange out of the UK called Stex, okay? I have an account here. Now, they say it's a 36-hour verification. I didn't take 36 hours. I took like 5 days, okay? A lot of people I've told this exchange or told people about this exchange, they've also gone more than 5 days, all right? So if this is a play you're trying to make, if you want to get your XDC, you need to get your account set up on Stex ASAP, okay? It's not a bad exchange, by the way, okay? I mean, I don't really play on it too much, but I mean, it's not bad. I wasn't upset with it. I actually like the user interface. It might be an exchange that I do my trading on, I haven't decided yet. But here is where you can get XDC. And if you're a US resident, you can still get verified. Again, though, who knows where the price of XDC could be by the time you get verified. So don't wait. Do it ASAP, guys. I'm telling you, they say 36 hours. It's not going to be 36 hours. You are a lucky, blessed person if it's 36 hours. Okay? And on Stex, you have to buy it with Tether. All right? So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to buy. I'm not 100% sure if you can buy Tether directly from your, debit or credit card. If not, you're going to probably have to buy like Bitcoin or Ethereum and then convert it into Tether and then go from Tether into XDC. You see what I was saying when I said it's a challenge to get? Multiple transactions. You might have to open 1 or 2 exchange accounts. Okay, gotta go through a difficult verification process if you use Stex. I mean, guys, deal with the fees. There's a lot to it. Okay? There's a lot to it. Let's hope this uphold loophole I've thought of. Let's hope that it works. We are going to be ahead of the game if it works, guys. I'm not kidding. Y'all, I am not kidding. The second I thought of doing that, of buying the XRP on Uphold, transferring into Bitrue and purchasing the XDC, first off, you avoid an extra transaction, which is great. But second, hopefully, I don't know yet, but I'm hoping that the fees are so cheap you get more bang for your buck. That's the hope, okay? Now, you won't be able to go XRP into Stex to purchase XDC. They only have it with Tether. So if you're trying the XRP play that I'm describing, you have to have a Bitrue account verified, okay? Like, there's no other option. If you guys do some research and find other ways to get XDC, please reach out to me, okay? Please. I've been searching. These are the only 2 ways I've been able to find so far, okay? And I'm bullish on it, guys. And I want y'all to be bullish on it too. I want y'all to do your research. Look into it, okay? Read that white paper, guys. Read that white paper. I mean, guys, it's under 9 cents. If we're thinking it could be, right now, you gotta realize XDC hasn't had its price discovery yet. Anything can happen with it. And look at that volume. Whoo! My God. Look at the weekly. Guys, big, and it was tiny, and then look at that explosion. And the volume's been falling. I personally love it. I want this thing to crash. But guys, if we're projecting, or speculating, it could be $1 one day. Right now, 9 cents. You gotta remember the fee, but let's just assume the fee's, not that big of a problem because we figured out a way. You're at 9 cents, you're getting like 10, a little over 10 for $1. At 1 cent, it was 100 for $1. You see why I wanted to pull back, guys? Please pull back XDC. I'm telling you guys, I have severe FOMO for this. I'm not really looking at anything else. I'm always watching everything else, but I'm not looking to put my money anywhere else. There's not other projects I really care for. Algorand, I will definitely keep cost averaging into Algorand. Okay, that's a gem. But for the most part, like the money I have ready to invest, it's just for XDC. It'll be for XRP if it gets back to 20 cents, and with 25 cents and whatnot. Then, there'll be money available for XRP. But right now, this is the opportunity, guys. The deal is amazing. It's at under 10 cents. 9 cents, guys. And it was just at a penny. Look how fast it did it. This is a weekly chart, So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? 11. So right before 12 months, you were at that 15 cents. Okay? Or 12th week, which would be 3 months. In 3 months. In 3 months, guys. That is incredible. Look at your price gains. Guys, I'm telling you, on Bitrue, I guarantee you it got to 15 cents. I was freaking out. I was like, I can't deal with this, guys. Look at that. 2,395% in 3 months. In 3 months. Guys. Hold on 1 second. Let me grab my phone. I gotta calculate this, guys. I mean, if you had $1,000 times 2,395%, that can't be real. That can't be real. I'll cry if that's real. There's no way. I had to do my math wrong. I mean, if you had $1,000 and man, is that real? 1,000. If you 10x, you'd be at 10K. If you 100x your $1,000, if you made 100 times your money, 100%, 220. Guys, yeah, I'm gonna have to figure this out. I mean, it's almost 4 in the morning, and I've had to do this video multiple times, and I got a lot on my mind. But either way, guys, 2,395%. Okay, that's incredible in 3 months. Do you see why I'm so bullish on this? And it's a project that's actually legit, guys. It has utility. Okay, it's got a reputation. They've been around for a while, guys. Okay, they're linked in with the right people. I think this thing's gonna be massive. All right. So anyways, guys, that's XDC for you. I mean, real quick, I want to show you something on the 1 hour chart. This is what I had to deal with on its ascension. Look at this, guys. Look at that wick. That shit pierced my heart. Okay? That shit pierced my heart. Okay? I mean, look at it. Unless you were able to catch it super fast, guys, took off. Another one. These are all too bullish. Too bullish. That you're not going to get a pullback to a penny when you're getting wicks like that. Look again. Again, look what I had to deal with, guys. Every day. Every time I checked it. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Look at this wick. Guys, look at this wick. Okay? I believe this is the one I caught. No, that's not the one I caught. This might be the one. April 13th. No, it's probably more recent. I got down to 6 cents. Oh, yeah, it's way over here. Either way, guys. Oh, yeah, this is an hourly chart. We got a long way to go. But, guys, look at all those wicks. Look at them. The entire way. The entire way. I mean, guys. Wick. Have you guys seen anything like that? Wick. Have you guys seen wicks like this? Do you see why I am just like begging and praying to these crypto gods to bring this shit down, guys? I need this 200 to give out. And I think it was ready to give out. And then look at this fucking bastard right here. Just sticking this damn wick through. Only thing that's on my side right now is the low ass volume. That's it. But this, I mean, guys, too many wicks to the downside. They're sharp. They're sharp. Okay? They're very sharp. But yeah, guys, that's XDC. Again, Bitrue, Stex. If you figure out any other way, let me know. Okay? Let me know. I'm ready. But anyways, guys, I told you at the beginning, we're not ending on the gem. We're ending on XRP. Okay, if you're new to crypto, don't even look at XDC. This is the one you need, okay? We don't have the same fundamentals with XDC as we do with XRP, okay? XDC is still new, okay? It's the new kid on the block still. XRP's been around for a long time working with regulators, okay? Time's not on your side with XRP. When we look at XDC, I mean, just look at the high time frame again, guys. Look at the daily, okay? I mean, if you look at the daily, there could be some room to come down. Okay? I mean, this was the first big move. Who knows? This could be the pullback, and this thing could take off again. This could be wave 1, pullback for wave 2, and we could be taking off. That's definitely on the table. That's why I'm like, guys, Bitcoin, please, baby, bring it down. Bring it down. And that's why I'm just right now in a position where I'll just scoop it wherever. It's just at the price is above 5 cents. I'm not going to put as much because I don't want to deplete the reserves I have to capitalize on the plays if I get it under 5 cents. I mean, guys, at 5 cents, that's 20 for a dollar. That's a big difference than 10 for a dollar. You're getting double. Okay? Anyways, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that gem. I hope y'all enjoyed the entire technical analysis, guys, okay? I'm excited. Real quick before we end this video, look at XDC ascending. We're going to put it right there. Really, we're going to put it right there, right under XRP. That's where I want it. That's how I feel, okay? Now, this whole chart, my whole watch list doesn't represent the order. The top does. XRP, yes. XDC, yes. XLM, yes. Hedera, yes. Okay? Poly, I'm actually super bullish on it, but I'd probably rather have Algo than Poly. Okay? I got big things for Algo. I mean, he's going to get moved around too. All right? Bitcoin and Ethereum, they shouldn't even be here. They should be nowhere near the top. The only reason they're near the top is due to their status and them being ranked, 1 and 2. All right. They're not there because I actually enjoy the projects and I'm looking to invest. They're there because they give me important information I need as I analyze these markets. All right. Anyways, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that gem. Okay? I can't wait to hear the feedback. I can't wait to hear the excitement, guys. All right? If you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out. Okay? The comment section is below. I appreciate those comments, guys. Okay? I appreciate them likes, them subscribes, all that support. All right? But guys, yeah, you know the drill. It's, almost 4 in the morning. I gotta send y'all all this love, all this light. I'm gonna upload this video here. It should be ready to go when y'all wake up and get your day started, okay? I filled it again with a lot of good information. We went over XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, what we're expecting, what to be looking out for. We went over this gem XDC, and now we can start talking about it in all our episodes, okay? Following up on it. I mean, guys, real quick, XDC did this. It got up to almost 15 cents. Well, I mean, on Bitroot, it did get up to 15 cents. And it's not even listed on major exchanges. Okay? I mean, guys, look at the two. These are the only, in America, these are the only ways. Okay? In here, unless you're already verified, this isn't an option, which means this is your only way. And we did that? What happens if somebody like Coinbase lists XDC? I mean, Coinbase just said, we want to list 100 new cryptos on our platform. They're looking at 100 different ones. XDC could definitely be being looked at right now, guys. Coinbase lists XDC. Dollar, hello. We're on the way. The people XDC was created for, these people have big money. Big money, institutional money, and that's what you need to move a price, to drive a price to new highs, okay? I'm so bullish on XDC, guys. I love it. I'm telling you, I haven't felt this way since XRP. I mean, if I compare the feeling of XRP to XDC, it's not even close. Because, again, nothing on this list matters. XRP is the only one, okay? But out of everything else that exists, XDC's come the closest to resembling that bullish sentiment that I gotta own this. I need a lot of it. It's, stack time, focus on it, XDC is the closest thing to that. All right. And that to me says a lot about the project. And I mean, the risk to reward right now, guys, I mean, in the long term, 8 cents a share, 9 cents a share, that's nothing. Okay. We get to $1, you're still 10xing from here. Your $1,000 is turning to 10K from this price. Okay. If we hit $1. 20K if we hit $2. Who knows the potential of this project? Guys, it has smart contracts built into it. Okay? XRP, I'm not trying to bash XRP. Okay? I'm just giving you information. XRP doesn't have smart contracts built into it. That's why the Flare network is so important. It allows smart contracts to be incorporated with XRP. But you have a project like XDC where the smart contract's a natural part of it. Okay? It's built into the technology. That's an advantage. Okay, we gotta recognize that. You don't need anybody else. You can do it yourself with your own tech. Okay? That carries a lot of weight. Anyways, though, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up here. We're almost at 50 minutes. Send y'all love, send y'all light. I hope this 427 was amazing for you guys. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. As always, I'll see you at the next episode. Can't wait to hear from y'all guys. Send me all that feedback, all that good stuff, guys. I will see you in the next video.